Welcome to our self-development channel. In today's video, we're uncovering the secrets on how to be attractive to everyone, proven tips for universal appeal. Being universally attractive isn't about fitting a specific mold, it's about embracing qualities that draw people in and make them feel valued and appreciated. Whether you're looking to improve your social life, gain more confidence, or simply become more likable, this video is for you. Let's dive into these powerful strategies. 1. How to be confident and attractive. Confidence is the cornerstone of attractiveness. Embrace your unique qualities and believe in yourself. Practice positive self-talk, set achievable goals, and celebrate your successes. Remember, you are amazing just the way you are. 2. How to improve your social skills. Strong social skills can make you incredibly attractive. Practice active listening, engage in meaningful conversations, and show genuine interest in others. Your ability to connect on a deeper level will make you stand out. 3. The power of a positive attitude. A positive attitude is magnetic. Focus on the good in every situation, practice gratitude, and smile often. Your positive energy will attract people and make them want to be around you. Your positivity is truly inspiring. 4. How to make a great first impression. First impressions are crucial. Dress well, maintain good posture, and make eye contact. A warm smile and a firm handshake can make you appear approachable and confident. You have an amazing presence. 5. Developing charisma and charm. Charisma and charm can make you irresistible. Smile, use open body language, and be enthusiastic. Your positive energy and confidence will draw people towards you. Your charisma lights up any room. 6. How to be a good conversationalist. Being a good conversationalist involves more than just talking. Ask open-ended questions, listen actively, and share interesting stories. Your ability to keep conversations flowing makes you more likable and engaging. 7. The importance of body language. Your body language can greatly influence how others perceive you. Stand tall, keep your shoulders back, and use open gestures. Confident body language makes you appear more approachable and engaging. 8. How to show genuine interest in others. Showing genuine interest in others is incredibly attractive. Listen without interrupting, ask thoughtful questions, and remember details about their lives. Your empathy and kindness are truly remarkable. 9. The impact of good hygiene and grooming. Good hygiene and grooming can significantly boost your attractiveness. Regular showers, clean clothes, and good dental hygiene show that you respect yourself and others. You always look fantastic. 10. How to be authentic and sincere. Authenticity is key to lasting attractiveness. Be true to yourself and don't try to be someone you're not. People are naturally drawn to those who are genuine and sincere. Your authenticity is your greatest asset. By following these strategies, you can enhance your attractiveness and create meaningful connections with everyone you meet. Remember, true attractiveness comes from within. Believe in yourself, stay positive, and let your inner beauty shine through. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more self-development videos. Let's embark on this journey of universal appeal and personal growth together.